Hey fellas, today we have the Makita DDF456 for the simple repair. As we can see, the electronic function of the button is not working correctly, and sometimes the drill doesn't start and I need to hit it to make it run again. What I will do first, I will open the back cover. And from the first look, what I can see is carbon brushes is almost gone. I will remove the carbon brushes. Yep, we can see the line here. I will try to focus that. Maybe the light. We have the line here, the ending line, so the carbon brushes is ended. Of course, in case like this, we need to replace them and check the armature. The second carbon brush is ended too. Now you can see it, you can see the line here. Okay, just start opening. Yep, a lot of dust. The speed changer, the switch. Now the most important for us is the armature. You can see a lot of dust here and the leaf spring. We need to check if it's not broken, and this one is good. Yep, checking for the armature. It looks really good. When taking out the armature, I can feel the joke unit, the magnet inside. That's a good sign. So I believe that we need to change only the carbon brushes for this drill, and of course to clean it. Okay fellas, I have received the new carbon brushes. It's a CB440. We can compare the old brushes with the new ones. As we can see, they are really shorter. So now I'm cleaning the tool a little bit, and now I will assemble it back. Just clean it with my hands, not put on a ultrasonic cleaner. For this time. Inserting the direction mode button, and we need to see that the pin is in the middle here. Clean the rust from the joke unit. Now it looks a little bit better. Of course, clean the commutator of the armature. Small cleaning of the gear assy. As we can see the bomb here, the groove, it goes here in the housing. And almost forgot to put the spring, leaf spring, and it goes here. I'll just show it. It goes here. and I will lift the gear assy. It got in place. If you remember in the start of the video, we had the problem that the drill not always is working, and the electronic stop of the switch is not working, and sometimes it's caused by the ended bracket, sometimes it's a switch fault, and we will test that soon. Yep, now just lifting the spring. Inserting the carbon brush. Oops, wrong side. Just pressing the spring here. And now I will close the core and test the drill. I was not assembled the gear assy for this drill, so by testing it I will see if the gear assy is good or not. I'm just making sure that the clutch is spinning. Inserting the battery, and as you can see the switch is working good. Now we need to check the clutch. Yeah. And on the drilling mode. Yeah. So it's working good, and we have this drill working bad again. So it was only the carbon brushes.